Kilungu cha miongo thantatu na mwe yiulu yana cha enenthi nikyathingiliila nthi ya Kenya yiendeeye na ikwa ooyu kumanwa na utongoi muthuku na usumbi wa ooyu ula utethiitwe kana ula utethiitwe uyithukiisya kiio cha mwenenthi. Huu ni kwianana na ikundi ya research yitethiitwe ila yiuweta ngalama ya yiulu ya mikalile na unyivu wa mawia nimo mathina mukuli ala maendeeye na kunyamasya mamilioni ma enenthi na ti mianiko ya ukavila kana ya kiuteti wa kii-mbai otondu President William Ruto uyithukiisya yelesya Benjamin Mwaka na mauvo.
Most welcome to do that.
Ukunikili wa research 820 wananya Kilungu cha miongo thantatu na mwe ula na cha enenthi yiuweta nthi yiendeeye na utalolotu ikiru panene ni uthatu wa mwika majenzi na Kilungu cha miongo etano na mwonze ulu yana aingi ma enenthi ameweta ngalama ulu ya mikalile na unyivu wa mawia nimo mathina mo manene uthikana na wasi wa President William Ruto ula utetino wake withiitwe ailumililie masembani manene mbe kuikithia ni wokitana na thina mutia wokavila na uteti wa kii-mbai.
So you can see 61% felt the country is headed in the wrong direction, 19% said right direction, and 20% were kind of hanging in the middle. Then we also had the same question by generation. Still 57% said they think the country is headed in the wrong direction. The first thing that they mentioned is that they think the cost of living is going high. Then the next thing is they thought unemployment is a problem. So from the list you can say yes, tribalism is an issue, but it's a minor issue compared to, for example, the rising cost of living. So if the establishment or people in positions of power do not address the main issues, and they are kind of not hitting the main point. So they're not getting to what is affecting me. And with that, they now start having a disconnect and a dislike from the people they are serving.
Ukunikili kiwananya enenthi ingi nimeumbanite kwa ivinda ya mbevyu kwikunyana iseso ya kura nene siukite sia mwaka wa 2017 wa Kilungu kinene cha miongo kenda na ile ulwathiana ne amwika majenzi ala kwianana na research 820 makethwa mainini vakuni makura milioni 10.
91% of all the people who interviewed said, I will show up at the ballot. And only 9% said, I don't think I will show up. And 91% will be the highest voter turnout, if this turns out to be true, that we've ever experienced in history. Gen Z, 92% said that they intend to vote. So we expect that the next election, all factors held constant, that there will be 20 million people showing up at the ballot, of whom about 10.2 million will be Gen Z. So if they take their IDs and they apply for their voters card and they actually participate, then they could shape and they could influence who becomes the next leader.
Kulio vinene ithitwo toniwo kwithiandikithia takuni makura ala yikundi alumililie vinda thivo yanu kuikithia ni makwata mwana kwiandikithia takuni au makura onetha ningi na ndatikani sia muthia.
Even the previous voter registration that happened for the previous election, the 2017 election, people rushed last minute. Our question when we asked is, do you intend to vote? Then 91% said they will intend to vote. And perhaps maybe there is something that is going to happen, but perhaps that window is not closed, and we will be able to conclusively come to the final conclusion after they have closed that window for people to register as voters.
Ingi ukunikili uno waikithia lembetani ukamba vayingwa muteti onomwe wa usumbi na ukumu kukonya uteti wa ukamba ate o mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka eweka.
This particular slide puts him squarely as a kingpin of the Kamba community. So they picked him very, very, very strongly against the other candidates.
Kuma vamos inilovi dilivote ya vilingwa mauvonye dito Benjamin Mwaka.